Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by protecting your data. Create a snapshot or export an OVA now because once removed, recovery is harder. Power down the Kali VM from inside the guest and then verify the hypervisor shows it as powered off. Make sure you know the virtual disk file path and format. VMDK, VDI, or QCOW2 so you can remove storage safely. Once done, you're ready to remove the VM entry without risking leftover disks or config fragments. Now, in your hypervisor, remove the Kali VM from the inventory. Use the remove or delete option that does not auto-delete disks until you confirm. Next, detach any ISO images and explicitly remove associated virtual disks from the VM configuration. Then choose to delete those disk files from disk if you no longer need them. If snapshots exist, consolidate or delete them first to avoid orphaned files. Make sure linked clones are addressed, because they can keep base disks referenced and consume space. Finally, search the host storage paths and delete any orphaned virtual disk files or leftover configuration files. Check hypervisor management folders and, if applicable, remove VM registry or config references to prevent phantom entries. Once removed, restart the hypervisor service or host to refresh the management state and reclaim space. If something goes wrong, if disks still appear or VM won't delete, check for running processes locking files and use a file lock diagnostic or host reboot to free.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.